Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to show you this cute little bear. This is a Snackles plushie. So this is a really nice size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It is just snuggly enough to hug, and you can use it as a pillow if you want. I like the fact that these come in so many different animals with different kind of snacks. So this one here is the bear with the Hersheys chocolate bar. My daughter chose it because she loves chocolate. And this little guy's name is Terry. The fur on him is so soft. It's not really fur. It's just this really soft material. His eyes are glittery, which is really cute. It just adds to its characteristic. I love the cute little ears, and the fact that they have the little chocolate bar sewn onto the hands, really good, is nice as well. He's got little feet, and he is round and cute and snuggly. Which you can tell my daughter just absolutely loves him. I love the detail too on the chocolate bar. It has all the nutrition facts on it, which is kind of funny, but it's cute to make it kind of realistic. And she absolutely just adores it, and that's the best thing about it. And that's just my point of view.